Okay, I got a story to tell. All right, about this 2014 Ford Focus. All right, we changed the battery out, and then we're driving, and it died out in the street. Not the battery, the whole car. Then we had to push it right into here to the center right here. All right, you see the center where we're at. Now we're right here, and the battery is not the issue. And put my Apollo right here, scanned it to him, scanned it. Connecting my connector right here to the OBD2 connector. You should have one right here or right under here connected. And this is the code I just pulled up right now. It's a low pressure fuel pressure. That means it's your high pressure fuel pump right here. It's in the front of the car. Also with the fuel railing picture. Those two, one is with the other. Take a good look. Take the fault codes P008A, P006. C6. That's what it comes up. It tells you everything right here, what it is, what's not happening, all and everything. Right there. This is lean current on bank 1. High pressure fuel pump right now. Here it is right here. Let me show you. Now, this is the part right here. You see? That right there is for the line, right where the fuel goes in and out. This right here is your sensor. Here's another line right here where it connects, where the fuel will be gushing right in here. And then you got your two 10mm bolts. See this? I'm going to show you the other one right now. Take a quick glance at how this procedure is going to go. Aftermarket part. Now here, right here, it's going to sit just like this. See that? This goes here. The connector goes on this. This connector connects into here. And your two 10mm bolts right here. These two pieces go in. One goes in the back right here. It's this one. This goes in the front in here. Little plastic clips to lock it in. Now, this is, I already loosened this. I took off the clips to pop this out. You see? That 10mm right here. Put that right there. It's very easy, simple position. Okay, you just need a ratchet right here and your 10mm bolt. Millimeter bolt. In this case, right there. Now, this is your 17. You need this to break this nut right here because it's on right here. And you just break it the other way, pop, and then you start loosening it out hand. You always want a flat head. This is for clamps right here. You got to be easy taking these out. You can't just break them. You know, you pop it in from one side here and pop it off from the other side. Be gentle. Okay, now let's get started. As I already told you, I loosened up all this. Now go ahead and there we go. This has never been changed. See how hard it is? You always got to be careful with it. Once you loosen them up, there we go right here. So I can grab the nut. See? That's one. I'm gonna put it right here so you can see it. The other one. You always want to be knowledgeable where everything is at. So you can see, you want to be safe. I advise wear gloves. These gloves wear safety and also safety glasses. As you see, I wear mine because no telling when it might spit up, but I got my protective lens right here, protecting on all angles. Contamination, any smelling on the hands right here, I got my gloves. Safety first. There's the other one right there. Now, gonna look real good right now. See, it's out right there. Everything's okay. Now, make sure everything's fine. Just gonna wiggle it out. Kind of popped out almost. There we go. See? All right there. I'm gonna take a look at it. This is the one I got now. It's changed. The exact same thing. And here you can save money. You see, you can save money on this aftermarket one. You see the bids and everything. See that? See the 2-point teeth right there? Got to make sure that's the same as this one, because you can make a mistake, get confused. See how these have the lines, one line right there? Sometimes they have two up top. They look the same, but the connector will never get on. Make sure everything is right. There we go. Now, this one right here, it was faulty. It's no good. Now, here we go. Goes like this. See this? Every little detail. You always want to make sure this looks good. See that? Right in there. Okay, just put it in like that. That's where the bolts are long. So you could be able to grab it like that. And as you're tightening down, that's one. And this is gonna be two. Just get them in there, get them snug. And the ratchet, do the rest. That's why you gotta dig long enough right there. Adjust it to on. Make sure that you get a warranty when you get this, because you always want to have a warranty on your parts. You always want to have a warranty. Aftermarket, 30 days, because this is an aftermarket part. Now, I'm saving a lot of money because this cost me right here $100, and they're charging at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Pep Boys. You could check yourself, $540 average for this. So the doctor's trying to save you some money. You also got some type of warranty to know if it doesn't work, so you can take it back. So, I'm here to help you best way I can. Tighten it down. You see how the pressure, even side. Take a look. Now you want to check around and make sure everything's fine. Look real good. Just like that. Take a look. Now, all around looks good. Now, we're going to go to this phase right here. This one I want to do first because this has the clips on it right here. People would be saying you should do this one first right here. But it's how you're going to do it. Put it in. See? 17 millimeter. It's tightened down. It's snug in right now. Now this one, it pops in like that. You see it do it? Now, we're going to do this. Through the back. It's the clip. See it? Pay attention. There we go. There. Popped right in. Now this is the front. There it is. See that? Two pieces. Very easy. Very simple. It's clocked right in. Now this part, as you're looking here, this goes right in here. Watch. Click. You hear that? It's there. That's all it is. Now, we get the 17. Turn her up. I'm saving, depending on the car, it's more expensive. The newer the year, it's more expensive. Part alone, like I told you, is $540. American cars, very easy to fix. Very simple. But you will find Some parts pricey and the labor even pricey. So I just showed everybody right here. That's women in how the 2 bolts, 10 millimeter, 17 wrench, flathead free clips, and just unclip this. I'm completing this job in a parking lot. What a day this is for the doctor. A young lady called the doctor, and I'm here for you. There's no over tightening because you want to gorilla tighten it. You know, the bolts already, when they get snugged in, then they're good. I already showed you every little detail. 17, you're not trying to, this is a fuel line. You're not trying to over tighten, you're not trying to, because if you over tighten it, you mess it up right in here and fuel will come out through here. No matter what, you would ruin it. So this is a vehicle. You ain't been pressing nothing. So just go ahead, snug tight everything.
Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe.